In this video, I'll show you how to install a wave tie with a hand tool. The first step in installing a wave tie is making sure you've picked out the right tool. I'm using a heavy wave tie, so I want to make sure that my manual tool has set to the right tension setting of 5 to 8. There's a little knob here that I'll pull down and twist. I'm already on 8, so I'll leave it there. Next, I'll assemble my heat shield and manually thread by hand the tie through first. Then I'll finish the tensioning and the cut with the tool. And that leaves a nice flush cut after retraction. And I'll go ahead and do the second one again really quick in case you missed it.